Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to text-to-speech in Indonesian in Murf AI. So, let us begin. Step 1. Begin by heading to the Explore AI Voices tab on the left side of the studio. This is where the world of languages awaits exploration. For our purpose, let's select Indonesian to unlock a range of Indonesian voices. Step 2. Explore the collection of Indonesian voices and find the one that aligns perfectly with your project. Once you have discovered the voice that resonates, a simple click on select is all it takes. Step 3. Craft your Indonesian script. Fill the text area with your Indonesian script. To add a dynamic touch, feel free to adjust the speed, insert pauses, and customize it according to your preferences. Step 4. Experience the transformation. Eager to hear your Indonesian text come to life? Just click on Generate Audio to unveil the enchanting transformation. With just a few clicks, you have turned your text into captivating Indonesian speech, all thanks to the remarkable capabilities of Murf AI. I hope this guide has been insightful. Until our next video.